Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to discuss the intermuscular spaces in the upper limb. So first of all we will see these spaces in the form of a diagram, then we will see their contents and boundaries, and in last we will see a trick that how can we easily remember the boundaries of these spaces. So first of all we must know that there are three intermuscular spaces in the upper limb: the quadrangular space, the upper triangular space, and the lower triangular space. So these are the three intermuscular spaces in the upper limb. So now we will see these spaces in the form of a diagram. This will be the humerus. There will be three muscles. This first muscle will be the teres minor muscle. This will be teres minor. Then there will be another muscle here. This will be the long head of triceps. This will be long head of triceps muscle. In the third and the last muscle, this here will be it will present. This will be the teres major muscle. And now here are the three spaces. This will be the quadrangular space, this will be the upper triangular space, and this one will be the lower triangular space. Now we will see the boundaries of these spaces. So first of all we will see the quadrangular space. This is the quadrangular space. So its superior boundary will be made by the inferior border of teres minor. This is the superior boundary. Okay, so this will be teres minor, inferior border of teres minor. Then its medial boundary. So its medial boundary, this will be by the lateral border of the long head of triceps. Long head of triceps. Then its lateral boundary. So its lateral boundary will be by the humerus bone, specifically the surgical neck of humerus. Surgical neck. And its inferior boundary. So this inferior boundary, it will be by the superior border of teres major. Teres major. And now the most important thing, the content. The content of this quadrangular space is the axillary nerve, and the posterior circumflex vessels. Posterior circumflex humeral vessels. These are the two contents of this quadrangular space. Now we will move toward the next space, which is the upper triangular. Similarly, this will be the upper triangular space, and now we will see the boundaries of this space. So the superior boundary, this will be the superior boundary, and it will be of the inferior border of teres minor. Teres minor. Then the inferior boundary. So this inferior will be by the superior border of teres major. And then the lateral boundary. So this lateral one will be by the medial part of the long head of triceps. Long head of triceps and its content. These are very important. So its content are the circumflex scapular artery. Circumflex scapular artery. Now we will move toward the third space, which is the lower triangular space. So this is a lower triangular space. So we will now see its boundaries. So the superior boundary, this will be of the inferior border of teres major. And the medial, this will be the medial. So this will be by the lateral border of long head of triceps. And the lateral boundary, this lateral one will be by the humerus. And its content. So in the content of this space are the radial nerve and the profunda brachii vessel. Remember this thing, radial nerve and profunda brachii vessel. Brachii vessels. So now we will see an easy way that how can we remember these boundaries. So that will be this way. Make this shape of your fingers. This will be the humerus. This will be teres major. Oh sorry, this will be teres minor. I have written wrong here. This will be teres minor. This will be the teres minor and this will be teres major and this will be tricep. So now you can easily explain the boundaries of all these spaces, like this will be the quadrangular, this will be the upper triangular and this will be the lower triangular. For quadrangular space, the superior boundary will be by the teres minor, the inferior will be by teres major, the medial will be by triceps and the lateral will be by the humerus. And similarly you can do for these two spaces. Thank you.